What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. Welcome to Vlogmas for 2019. Today is day 2 and I am doing the unboxing day by day of the Target Beauty 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. So we are on to day number 2. So let's get in here and see what's in here and not, take my eye out with the corner of this box. So if you missed day 1 and you'd like to go back and see it, I will link it up there for you and also down in the bottom bar. But we're getting in here. Let me get it partially open and then I'll show you. Ta-da! Let's see what we got here. After a minor struggle, we have a sexy Mother Pucker lip gloss. Guess what, guys? I know this is from Soap and Glory because I know this is also a plumping lip gloss. It's a nice pink color. Let's open it up. I know, if I remember correctly, these are like super tingly and they're supposed to be a plumping formula. Smells like vanilla. This is a very pale pink. I think it may look nice over a pinky nude. It's got glitter all in it. But it does have that smell. You know, the smell of plumping lip glosses or lip injection, like the Too Faced lip injection. It's barely got any color. It's just a very pale pink, and I'm not sure how well you can tell, but it's got very fine micro glitters in it. And it looks like that. I have a liquid lipstick on, so I'm not going to put this on over it, but I will give this a try in a video. I've never tried this, I don't think. You guys know my Holy Grail lotion is Righteous Butter by Soap and Glory, so I really do like the brand, but I did do kind of a Christmas kit unboxing and review before. I'll link it up there if you haven't seen it. It was a long time ago, probably a year ago at least, and I wasn't a big fan of their cosmetics, but it's been a long time. Maybe they have improved them since then, but that's what we got for day 2 and I'm not mad at it. I'll give it a shot. I'll let you know in a future video if it is, the uncomfortable kind of plumping lip gloss. We'll see. I'll give it a try. But thank you so much for joining me for day 2 of Vlogmas. It's gonna be so fun just posting these videos after I've pre-filmed them and I'm not giving myself, a meltdown because I don't have things done. Yeah, doing things in advance. Who would have thought that that would reduce stress? I wouldn't know. I've never done that. So anyway, thank you again for joining me for second day of the 12 Days of Beauty with Target Beauty. And hopefully you'll come back again for the next installment to see what else is in this wonderful box full of lovely surprises. Yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Happy Vlogmas! Fa la 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 la, it won't come out. Oh, help, 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 help. Heathen child. Holy cowness. Okay. Sexy motherfucker. Sexy motherfucker. Sexy motherfucker. Yeah. Sexy motherfucker.